Hope that you can hear me. Can you let me know you can hear me now? Hope that the sound is going now. Yes? Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know why this happened. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. We saw that there was a move on GBP. I was screaming and yelling, but no one can hear me anyway. Lucky that you traders can hear me now. Good to hear that I'm heard. Well done. Well done. Thanks for joining the live session. Cool. Can you give a thumbs up now? Well done. Loud and clear. Good job. Good job. Well done. Well done. Okay. So I was looking at GBP JPY. I was doing a full analysis, and I need to repeat it definitely. GBP JPY. We saw that there was a bounce with the news, and with that bounce, the market made significant bullish move here on GJ. At the moment, let's look at the lower time frame here on GJ. Welcome. Thank you. Thanks for joining the live session. That's cool. That's cool. Give a thumbs up, guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So let me look at here. We can see that GBP JPY is trending, and this current candle on GBP JPY basically has crossed almost 4 important dojis here. Quite a few narrow dojis has been crossed, and this market showing a very strong bullish price action. So therefore I was looking at entry with this bullish move. The market has made significant bullish momentum here, expecting GJ to move up again. And if we see that the market has come for a deeper pullback, it is already in a bullish momentum, and we might see that what I think that GJ, this is the 15-minute chart, expecting for the price to go ahead and break this high. So from the 5 minutes, you see there is a multiple liquidity grab. There was a bullish candle followed by a doji, was a bullish pattern, and the market made a move towards the upside on GJ. Now from the 30 minutes and lower time frame, and even the 1 hour, we see the market is trending. So this is a long-term bullish market, especially 4 hour. We see this candle is closing in 45 minutes, which is a bullish candle, and it has crossed back-to-back 3 sessions narrow dojis here. And because back-to-back 3 sessions narrow dojis, it's forming, this is a very high liquidity zone, and from that liquidity zone the market slowly trying to bounce back towards the upside here. So daily chart on GJ, there was a daily middleman here after the previous daily bullish candle, and what I'm expecting on GJ for the price to go ahead and hit that 193.30 level. So looking at the lower time frame, this is now current support on GJ. Okay, so if the market is dropping below that, will be an opportunity for us. There is a fair value gap, a bit of gap here. So you see there is a long wick, there is a support, and there's a bit of gap here. and there's a 20 EMA. So we'll be waiting to see how the market is reacting. This is a very you see, it's a very high liquidity zone, so a bit ambitious to think that the price will drop here, but if it drops, that's where we can find a very good trading opportunity. How many pip here? Okay, GJ is showing very good bullish price action, but for me to enter, it's sometime a bit of a matter of patience to see the price action as form, and we can find we are very confident about the directional bias that the market is going to trend to the upside. But the most important part here is to enter from an important area of value. It's at the top. Now, if this trend is continuing to the upside, it's very hard to enter here because we have to have a whole lot of big stop loss here. I would like to see that before this candle close, GJ again has come for another drop to this support level, and we will be entering then. So if the price dropped to 192.44 level, before that candle close, we can look for entry opportunity on GBP JPY. That's the plan for GJ, and let me know if you are enjoying the live session. If you're new to the channel today, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, and also if you are also following us for a long time, also smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Because US30 and US100 are reversing. Thanks for your effort. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Brian, Euro USD, Bitcoin, good morning. Euro USD. What about gold, coach? Okay, so we'll be looking at gold as well. Let's look at euro dollar. Now we see that there was a sudden momentum on euro dollar. We might see either a potential reversal or might be a bit of deeper pullback. So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis. Now when we look at the higher time frame, we see completely different picture. That's why it is important that you always look at the bigger picture. So when you look at the bigger picture, you can see completely different picture. This is the secret, guys. There were 5 blind people they decided to visit an elephant because they have never seen an elephant too. So the 5 of them are blind, and they decided to go to the visit the elephant. And then once they went to the elephant, one of them has caught the leg of the elephant and said that elephant is like an electric thumb, okay, or a big tree. The other guy catch the elephant's tummy and said that elephant is like a wall, and the other one has caught the trunk of the elephant and said that elephant is like a what's that, like a banana tree, and the other guy has caught the tail of the elephant and said that elephant is like a rope, and the other one has caught the ear and said that elephant is like a wall. So basically what that represent is that when you look at the piece of the truth, you will find always misleading information. Imagine that a cube with 6 color in different side of it. When you look at the top, you will see 3 colors, red, blue and green. But if you look at the straight, you will see only 1 color, maybe yellow or red or anything like that. So that's why looking at the whole picture is important in every aspect, including the life as well as in trading. So with that being said, if we look at the euro dollar, we can see that euro dollar is bigger picture is bearish. Now we can see that this is the monthly chart, and after previous monthly long wick doji, we can see the market started to drop and expecting it to drop back to this support level, and we might see that the price ultimately breaking that low. From the weekly, there is a weekly candle. This is the weekly candle. So far in the first 2 days there wasn't much movement. We saw a bit of consolidation, but it's still a bearish bias here, and this is the weekly high and low so far on euro dollar. And if we look at the daily chart here, we can see the market is getting a bit of rejection from the daily support, and looking at the intraday, there is a 4-hour rejection on this candle. Let's go back to the very lower time frame from the 15 minutes. Now if you look at, that is why I looked at the bigger picture in this market, and if you look at here in this market, this the price was maintaining series of lower high in this trend line, and because the market is maintaining series of lower high in that area, and as the price is now pushing high in this kind of market, I would be more of interested to find even bearish trading opportunity because it's a long-term downtrend. So but locally we see that upside here on the intraday. So anytime the price is giving us an entry, we will be looking for that. But at the moment, if you look at, it's not a clean downtrending market as well. Locally you see there was a big drop here with the news and the market consolidated. There has been another drop, it's on another consolidation. So what it might do now, it might break any of this swing high, and then we could see that it's dropping again or ranging in that area. Rome is not built in one day, a trend also not built in one day, so it's not gonna be ending in also in one day. So make sure that you always trade with the trend and at the same time look for the reversal, right? So it's important that you keep eye in both directions. So euro dollar currently a bit of slower market. We see that 4-hour rejection, but it is, you can see it's a very strongly falling market. So it is not a wise to go long, because anytime you'll see the market, even if it is reversing, it needs deeper liquidity. So it might be ranging here now if it wants to reverse, and if it wants to reverse, it's gonna do something like that before it change the trend. So euro dollar currently a bit in a sideways, but if we see a very sharp rejection from the top, we will be looking for that. Otherwise, if we see the market sharply change the trend from this support with a very strong bullish candle, followed by another liquidity grab, then we will be looking for entry to the upside. At the moment, it's not giving any best entry here. So looking at gold, where gold is rejecting GJ, also rejecting in among all of them, I see that GBP JPY was trending nicely. Missed an entry here. Looking at gold here, we can see gold with the so if I look at the daily, let's look at the gold to see overall picture. There is a temptation of bullish move on gold. Look at the weekly. What do you think, that gold is going to break out, or it's gonna return in the major direction again to the downside? Harry, welcome. Good morning, Eurusd, Boss Bitcoin. Good morning, Coach. Inverted head and shoulder in 4-hour GBP JPY. Inverted head and shoulder on 4-hour on GBP JPY. Yeah, you saw correct. That's true. But it's a bit of bigger inverted head and shoulder. This is a liquidity candle is forming on GJ on the 4-hour. So the price action on GBP JPY is a long-term bull. So it's a bullish market here. On GJ there is a tail here, and this is a pure liquidity grab, a clean manipulation that we have seen. And if you guys remember, we had a massive trade here in this live session. That was a big trade that you guys have seen that. And not only here, we had a trade also here in our live trading room. Now, if you guys are not sure what is a live trading room, we do have live trading room, VIP live trading room, where I do my live trading along with the members who are already qualified to join that VIP live trading room. If you want to see a bit of how we are trading, let's quickly have a look a bit of snapshot of that live trading room. Will really will help you to understand how we are trading here in the live trading room. Let me bring that up. So we had also in the so you have open. So we had also another trade executed in the live trading room. So let me quickly replay this. Really will help you to understand actually how trading works. I would recommend you to Let me see what's happening here. I would recommend you to watch it. It will really help you to understand exactly how to do the risk management, how to trade news. So you see that yesterday there was a CAD and dollar news, and in the live session that I discussed that I'm going to trade it because I love trading news sometime, because that's where the market remain volatile. So let's see how we executed dollar CAD trade in the live trading room. It's a just quick snapshot, will give you a clear understanding of how it works. Again, I'm repeating, we have opened dollar CAD. So the entry on dollar CAD is here by market. We have opened, our stop loss is here. So using our risk manager tool, we have set our stop loss. Make sure your risk is not more than 1 or 2% per trade, which is very important. But now I'll be taking profit because I don't want to make it too long. It's taken. We might see up or we might see again rejection. So I have taken the profit. It's up to you. Either you now guys, let's see what did we do on dollar CAD. You can see that this is where I have opened the trade on dollar CAD in this live trading room. This is the trade that I have opened, and this is the trade. You see that with the news there was a spike, and I know that that's gonna likely to happen, and that's why, you know, some of the trade, you know, most of my trade I do share in the signal channel, but some of the trade needs to execute in the live market, and that's what I do. You can see that here I have called for that in the Zoom with all the members who are already qualified for the VIP live trading room, and executed, profit taken, and the market later reversed, but we are already out of the trade. Now the most important part here is, you know, my goal here is to help every member has come to Forex Trading Wizard Academy to learn the real trading. Guys, I know that, I understand, you know, how you are trading, just, you know, pressing the buy and sell button, but the real trading happens when you understand how to do the risk management, how to follow along a trade up to the finish line. Do you want to lose money or you want to make money, guys? Let me know. See, it's a habit that you need to develop, and that's what I'm doing. You know, I cleared my intention over and over again. The members who are trading with us, what is the best thing you can take from this Forex Trading Wizard Academy is to learn trading, right? I can give you one trade. I do give a lot of trade, a lot of free trades. You guys seen that in this live session, but that one trade will not be sufficient enough for you to be profitable as a trader, because just copying a trade from me or one signal will not make you profitable over the long term. The best help, the best thing that you can take from here is to learn my strategy. Okay, I don't keep my strategy with me. I want to give every one of you what my strategy. You know, Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulb, once asked that, you know, you took the 1000 failed experiment to invent the light bulb, right? Now the guy technician who even didn't pass the year 5 can invent a light bulb because he knows Thomas Edison's script. You don't have to reinvent the light bulb again. It's already invented, right? You don't have to create a strategy for yourself from the air. Already the strategy is ready for you. You just need to learn the rules and apply it in the market. And that is why, you know, every steps available. If you look at GBP JPY, also we executed a huge trade in the VIP live trading room. Now you can see that this tool also helping me to understand when the market is trending. This is the TF strategy, and also currently we have also our trend finder. Now this trend finder will help you to understand, is it in a strong uptrend or in a strong downtrend. You see that This trend finder also available for the members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This tool also available if you are here in the VIP live trading room. You can trade with me in the live market every single day using the strategy, using the tools. And already welcome, many members have responded to join. We may not be able to take any more members for certain period of time because the place already full, but today I want to take a few more of you because I can't show how many screenshots, how many appreciation is coming to the academy. My heart is filled with all the gratitude and everything you guys are posting here. So I want to take few more members to enjoy the academy, to trade with me with almost, you can say that almost free. But if I can give you free, that everyone might be coming who is not interested. So I put it to only 20% joining, okay, 80% off, and that coupon extended for a little more time, and it's going to be ended right now, so you can use it on the website checkout. So once you are on the website, use that coupon. You can find link below this video to join the live trading room where you can learn the real strategy. You can see how I'm executing the trade. I will be following along with the risk management part. I'll give you the tool to manage the risk, which is very important. And also I'll be giving you all the tool that I am using. Trend Finder. This is an incredible tool that will help you to understand. You see GBP JPY in a strong uptrend, and you can see from this Trend Finder how to identify either it's in a strong uptrend or in a downtrend. Also, you can use that tool to help you to understand. This is my TF strategy indicator, only exclusively available because I can't give you access to that until you learn the strategy with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So don't miss out that opportunity. You can find that link in the description as well. Visit the website and then click join now button. You will be able to join us to be part of this trading community. So let's progress further here. Let's look at what's happening with GJ. We see that significant bullish momentum here. I would like to see that when we can get an entry. I want to see that the market has given us proper entry on GJ. This is the 15 minutes and 5-minute chart, lower time frame, but we need to find that liquidity zone. Liquidity is the fuel of the market. So we'll be discussing in depth, and in the meantime I see that likes are not in contingent with the view. So if you could give a thumbs up, will be helpful for the channel. Thanks for your appreciation. Good morning. What's your analysis on Gbpusd and GBP JPY? Yeah, so we looked at the GBP JPY. Okay, so we looked at GBP JPY, and we have looked at on GBP USD. We have looked at GBP JPY, Euro dollar, and also we'll be looking at GBP USD. Let's look at again gold. We can see that gold has got a bounce here with a strong momentum. Let me see what's happening with the gold after crossing two important candlestick pattern. On gold, it's just trying to bounce back up. So here is the daily doji. Let's do a full multi-time frame analysis on gold as well. Guys, multi-time frame is key. So when you look at the higher time frame, you can see the bigger picture. Looking at the monthly chart on gold to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly, without any question, we can see that it's a long-term bullish market. So if you look at here, what we can see that on gold, here is the monthly support. Historically, it's a bull market. There is an inverted head and shoulder here, and with that inverted head and shoulder, gold has broken out of this structure, creating series of higher low, which is a long-term bullish market. If we look at the previous monthly candle, it's a massive bullish engulfer. Now today, so far, up to date, in the first 17 days of the month, gold has made significant bullish momentum. Anytime there is a long week created at the top on the monthly, the price again going up to fill that long week. Now if we look at the weekly chart, there is a weekly doji here. Okay, so I was in fact expecting for the price to break that low, but we see that weekly the price is so bullish that it didn't come, and now most likely we could see the price will break that weekly high as well. So the price action is very bullish on gold. So looking at the daily, after previous daily doji, there is a daily candle here. It's going up to cross the daily high, and you can see it's very strongly bullish. But for me, I want to see that gold has from the daily at least tested this lower part of the daily candle. Now looking at the intraday, this is the bullish candle on gold from intraday perspective. There's a bullish engulfer. So it's forming, this candle is closing in 17 minutes. So it is a bullish price action, but if we look at the lower time frame, there was a local drop and a rejection. So the price has come to that to this order block, and after coming to that order block, it made another it bounced one more time, which is basically showing strong momentum to the upside. You see, after grabbing multiple liquidity here, it just bounced to the upside. Liquidity is the key. When you understand when the market is gathering that liquidity, it becomes much easier for you to understand when the market is heading. So far it made significant move. Here is the weakless candle from the 1 hour. It's a weakless candle. So if the market is closing from the 1 hour as a weakless candle, expecting for the price to go ahead and break this high today, and then to even come back again for another liquidity grab. So the potential for going up and hit that resistance is high, but at the same time I want to see that the market has made enough pullback for that entry. So this is the resistance on the daily. From the support, I would like to see that a clear pullback, and then we can enter. I don't want to put any level here because we don't know how much it's gonna come for a pullback. Once we find that level, then we will be entering. But some of the levels is, if you look at the 5 minutes, this is some of the liquidity zone. We need to see the break of a structure. That's the secret that I use in my trading, is the break of a structure. So break of a structure. What is a break of a structure? I know that many of you here are experienced trader. Can you let me know why break of a structure is so important, and what is a break of a structure? Let me ask you this question. Can you come back with an answer? What is a break of structure in any instrument? If you understand that, you're not gonna look for top for sell anymore. It's also happened, especially in the beginning, looking for top for sell, bottom for buying. Do you look for top for sell? or top for buy. Today they will go to 2400 level today. So why do you think that why do you think that gold will go to 2400? You need to have a reason. See, reasoning it's a powerful tool. Okay, reason is absolutely important in anything, especially in trading, is more important than anything else. So what is reason? Reason is a higher state of mind. What is the opposite of reason? Opposite of reason is conformity. So what is conformity? Conformity, according to Al Nightingale, it's a old school, very high profile self-development speaker, coach or writer, author. According to Carl Nightingale, conformity comes from cowardice or the fear. So basically, fear is relevant to the conformity. Why? Because most people afraid of standing out from the norm. There is always a norm everywhere, right? And everyone wants to fit in the norm, and that is a conformity. So which is basically being afraid. So most of us inside our mind, we know the truth and everything, but we don't want to stand out. So that is conformity, which is the opposite of, it's basically from fear, right? So similarly, reason, one side, the other side is conformity. So what is reason? Reason is when you know why you are doing the things that you are doing. So reason also, if you look at, there is a book called Power versus Force by Dr. David Hawkins, a very great book. I recommend you to read that. Not a trading book, but one that definitely will be helpful to you. So according to Dr. David Hawkins, that people lives in a very lower emotion where everyone struggle, because if you look at very higher emotional state where people makes everything easy, life becomes easy when you know this kind of how to stay in a higher emotional state. That helps also. Becoming a good trader means that you actually know how to manage your emotion, right? That's where it is. So you always need to know the reason behind the trade. Otherwise, when it happens to me also, when I started my trading career back in 2013, and I was not happy with my job, and I was coming home and then just opening trade one after one after one after one, just to see that no reason I opened 10 trades, and then just to see that all of them in maybe minus. It's because of not knowing why I'm opening those trades, but something else is influencing those trades. So being conscious is very important, being aware of what's happening and how you can do it. So I believe that many of you are in the same boat, but if you want to make a real change, then know the reason why you are doing. And also it needs this reason to be written, right? It's very important why you are doing the things you are doing, right? That we discussed yesterday, that if you want to open a trade, successfully complete a trade, you need to answer www dot, not dot, www, why, when, and which way. So the trend, okay, so the market structure is where you will know which way to trade. If you look at GBP JPY, you look at our trend finder, you can see that it's a strongly uptrending market. So in this market, we will only be looking to trade in the upside. We know the directional bias here in this market, so we know which way. When is where you know that when the market is grabbing that liquidity, when the price action confirm. Now if you joined our Zoom classes, VIP Zoom classes in the live trading room, in the VIP live trading room, you know that how to identify that liquidity candle. Okay, so what is liquidity candle? The candle that has grabbed that liquidity ready for another move. And all my trade I use is with the trend when the market grabbed that liquidity. So you found which way, you found when. And for the why also you need to write it down, that why you are trading, is very important that you have a clear why, the reason behind the trade. If you want to know why, if you don't know what it is, there is a free demo trading plan available for you. You can download it below this video in the description area. Just below this video, go to the description, download that free demo trading plan and then rewrite it for yourself. You'll see a why there, and also there is a risk management component in it. So it's a one-page trading plan, but it will give you a clear idea of how to do the risk management. Download it, rewrite it for yourself, and you find that why you are trading. Writing is very important. Doing a bit of homework definitely will help you. So when you know that this 3W, you are well ahead in trading, and the rest is just being patient a bit. Give yourself permission to be, and you're gonna be. Okay, let me know if you have any question yet. Position fifth. Okay, when the price breaks a series of higher high and higher low. Okay, and calculated the way. Well done. Setting impulse is when price breaks a trend. Okay, so I see some BU breakout structure when the price breaks a low or high. I go US30. Okay, I will be looking at Mohamed, no problem. Morning. The news was there today. Forex talking. Policy news today. Today we'll hit 2401. Gold analysis comes to be 2375. The sideway 2401. Okay. European CPI. Well. Okay, some good answer has come out. So basically, the breakup structure is when you see that the market will create a structure. You will find you can identify that move. It might just do like that. Okay, trend in one direction like that. And breakup structure is basically from that trend or any structure it is creating, breaking from that structure. Now, why it is important? Because when the market breaks from the structure, basically many traders trapped on that. Why? When there is a break of structure, there is a thinking comes that okay, the market might be reversing, I'm going to miss the trade, I'm going to enter the trade just to see that it just returned back to the upside again. So it is important that you understand that breakup structure, which is very important. If I give you an example of breakup structure, let's see that. So you'll find over and over again in the market. So you see all of them are example of breakup structure. This is also a clean example of breakup structure. Okay. It's an uptrend. The market has broken out of the structure and then has gone back up again. So all of them that you see are the examples in a trending market, the example of breakup structure. So that's the key to understand the breakup structure, and then looking for entry after the price breaks from the structure. That's how you can ride the trend after it become fully refreshed. Good morning, sir, everyone. Thank you. Breakout structure, the good opportunity to trade after pullback. Yeah, absolutely. So breakout structure and then wait for the market to pull back and then enter with proper risk management. Okay, that's the key. I believe that you are enjoying the live session. I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up here and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Let's look at here on gold. Now looking at gold here, what you can see, you see gold. Let's understand the breakup structure on gold. You can see that here it's started to trend to the upside, and now if it drops suddenly to this support and then started to move up, that will be a breakup structure, and that's a good entry because we are expecting it to go to the resistance 23, 97, 98 level. Before it goes up, we will be waiting for a breakup structure. That's the key to trade when the market is trending. Okay, so we are looking at gold to see. In the meantime, let's quickly look at NASDAQ and US30 a bit of to see, because that will give us also what the market might be doing. Yeah, so NASDAQ, yeah, we can see a bit of a rejection on NASDAQ from the daily support. From the intraday, we can see the market trying to bounce, and it might now try to slowly go back to the upside. There is a probability for a move on NASDAQ. You see that this drop, this is the breakup structure. Okay, so you can see the market was trending with this channel. It's a bullish channel here, and with this channel, what happened? The market has broken, and then it's immediately going back up to the channel, and then we could see that the market, after breakup structure, we could see NASDAQ going up and then moving back towards the upside. So possibility, this is a clean breakup structure. So this is what we're talking about, looking for a breakup structure. NASDAQ, there is a probability for bounce to the resistance level. Okay, let me look at here again. GBP JPY coming back to it for an entry. Okay, so we might, I was waiting for that manipulation to happen on GJ. Some of the support level, we see there is a 4-hour candle closed on GJ. Okay, so dollar yen, we see there is a intraday candle close, and this market also might slowly try to return to the original direction of the trend. There are some support level that we can look at. Okay, we see there is a, in the local time frame also, GBP JPY. So we see a bit of pullback here on GJ. GBP JPY might be moving back towards the upside. While we see that gold has made significant bullish price action as well here. Okay, so you see that there is a bit of movement on GJ. Good afternoon, thank you. Can I have a trade is sell in euro, please? How do I know you can have a sell on euro? What time frame you are using? What strategy are you trading on? 1 minute? Okay, 1 minute might be sell, but might be bullish on 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. What time frame you are looking at? From the 4 hour, we saw that there is a middleman formation, and on euro dollar that might try to fill that zone here. So let's look at GJ here. GJ at the top, and just form a liquidity candle here. It might consolidate here on GBP JPY. Keeping eye on gold and GJ. Bit of sideway on GBP JPY. What's happening with the dollar yen? Yeah, we see that dollar yen sideway. Okay, what kind of price action on dollar CAD? Cross the liquidity zone. So you see the dollar CAD is most of the pairs beat up in a sideway. Gold after break of this low, there is a liquidity candle is being formed on gold, and this is potentially bullish market structure on gold. It's in a strong uptrend. So here both of these EMA has merged. So in this 3 time frame, so there's a 15 minutes candle closing, leaving a support here. So it's a liquidity candle is being formed, and if we see gold has come back again to break this low, we will be looking for entry from the support, which is a probability to happen. If gold managed to break again to grab more liquidity, we will be looking for that entry. Hope that you are enjoying the live session. I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Okay, GJ, it's been now in a pullback from the 4-hour, expecting a bit more. It is possible for GBP JPY to break again here and then to return. It could continue its trend from here, but this support is my target here to see how the price is coming here. Okay, if the market breaks that support, will be an important support level that we can look for any kind of entry. Because you see there is a narrow doji on the 5 minutes. It's a big move, and if it is returning to that, will be an awesome place. Similarly, the gold. So 15 minutes candle, you can see closed as a liquidity candle. Okay, so this is a very important support. Now, okay, so I want to, though we might not see the price is revisiting that level, but I want to put a buy limit here on gold, stop loss here, and TP target to this level. Okay, so it will be around 2.5, 2.6. It will be around to that level. So it will be 3 to 1. I will put a buy limit on gold. We might see that trigger or may not. We need to readjust. We will be doing that. So buy limit at 2390.17. Okay. So this is the level that I'll put a buy limit, and the stop loss will be 2387.34. So it's a buy limit. See if the price is coming here, then we'll be triggered. I will see if we can keep that just to see if the market is coming here. So the entry for buy limit is 2390.179. Stop at 2387.340. And TP target we could be triggered. TP target at 2398.809. So it's a pending order, buy limit, and now if you don't know how to do all of them, if you are a complete beginner, or you don't know how to do the buy limit, how to manage the risk, how to enter, how to exit, then I would recommend you to right now to join the VIP live trading room, where I am active in London and NY session, where you will be able to ask questions directly on Zoom. And also I will be teaching my strategy, why I am entering all those trades, what is the strategy behind, and especially how to do the risk management, and then follow along at the end of the trade, which is very important. And guidance is very important. You can do it by yourself, but it costs. Okay, I begin my trading journey with a big loss, and I understand that making one mistake is a big deal. But in this academy, there is a lot to take from here. You see that I trade in this live session in front of you, with thousands of traders in front of. So if you think that this is where you can learn your real trading strategy, there was 80% off last week. We have quite a few members joined in the academy. Now that offer is ended, but we have extended for last few members who are really passionate about learning to trade with me in the VIP live trading room, where you can access all my tools, strategies, and direct guidance from me. This is now available for you with 80% off. So $300 coupon is given. So it's a $300 worth of coupon right now you can use in the VIP trading room, where just use the website, click join now button, where you can also see all my trade. I do share all my trade in the VIP Telegram channel as well, with entry, stop loss, and take profit, along with, if you are doing full-time job, then you can just follow along the signals that I'm sending just to learn. If you have time, you can join the live trading room whenever you have, and then also all those trades are recorded and posted, so you can see how I am opening, why I am opening, what time the market is moving, what time not moving. Any strategy doesn't work all the time. You need to apply a strategy in a specific time. What time the market moves, that's what the real thing that you will be learning in the live trading room. When I am coming on live trading room in the VIP and explaining the reason behind the trade, and you have seen, guys, how we do. So this is one of our live trading room execution yesterday on $CAD during the news time. I'm just playing it out, will be helpful to you understand how the live trading room works. We have open $CAD. So the entry on $CAD is here by market. We have open, our stop loss is here. So using our risk manager tool, we have set our stop loss. Make sure your risk is not more than 1 or 2% per trade, which is very important. But now I'll be taking profit because I don't want to make it too long. It's taken. We might see up, or we might see again rejection. So now you can see on the screen, when I opened the trade, the price was here. This is the prediction that the market will move up. How did I predict it? What are the factors? So far you have learned that you need to learn a pin bar, bullish engulfer, bearish engulfer, hanging man, shooting star. But have you been ever long-term successful with this? Have you been? If not, what is the missing, guys? You need to ask one question. Okay, I'm trading all the strategies that I am learned, everything I am applying. Why I am not being profitable? Because there is something missing here. And that missing part is timing. No one will tell you this, trust me. No one will tell you. Timing. Timing means that the same hanging man, same shooting star, same bullish bearish engulfer will behave very differently based on the context of the market. Imagine that you open your shop Monday morning and spending 3 hours time just to wait for one customer to come to your shop. But imagine that you open your shop just before the Christmas day or before the Eid or any kind of festival. See how many customers is coming to you. The same person, same shop, same strategy. Timing is different. And that timing cannot be back tested. Can you back test the timing? No, time cannot be back tested. It's a fourth dimension. Timing cannot be back tested. Timing only can be learned through experience. And that's why this VIP live trading room, where you will learn exactly what timing you should be following along, and especially why the market is behaving that way. That's what you will be learning. That's an exclusive experience that you can gain. It will change your trading completely within 3 months. I don't want to say that within 1 week, because It's not possible. You need at least 3 months to give yourself to become a profitable trader. Now, if you give yourself to be attain a diploma for 3 years, 5 years, why you can't give 3 months to yourself to learn? And that's what you will be learning in the VIP live trading room. For those who already qualified in the VIP live trading room, already there, if you are not there right now, you can join today using the link below this video in the description, where you can access everything, including strategies, tools, and all the education. Right now you can use it, that coupon given in the live chat. Visit the website before it is ending, before someone is taking. You can take it and join us to be a part of this trading community. Don't hesitate to ask any question. Okay, here is, I'm waiting to see if the market is retesting this 15-minute support level. We see that there is a doji and the price still didn't retest this support on the 15-minute. Okay, so here is dollar GJ. We can see that from there was a bounce primarily, and with that bounce the price started to move up. Okay, here so it's a bit of I think there is a maintenance going on the website at the moment. So if you find the website, there is a maintenance going on the website, I see just now. And if you were visiting the website for joining, then you can email us to give you the direct link to join. Let me give you the email address. I just see that the team is working on the website. Okay, so if you are visiting the website, so you can email us info@forextradingwizard.com. The website should be ready by today, but if you are you have visited the website, then you can just email us. We will be able to email you for all the details how you can access everything. Okay, traders, so here is we put a buy limit here because this is a liquidity zone, and I'm expecting for gold to have a rejection from this level. I would recommend you to be a bit of patient here. What's happening with the GJ? We saw there was a bounce after this pullback here. Gold I expected to drop to this support. It may drop because this is a very important level of support and there is a liquidity below this level. So we'll be holding that trade, that buy limit. We'll be keeping that order on the market to see for an entry. Okay, we see downside coming here and that might trigger the trade. Okay, so buy limit is there, waiting for a trigger. here. So we have waiting for the price to be activated here. And with that said, guys, I believe that you are enjoying the live session. I will be coming on live again. So we can see that there is a volume that we'll be waiting for, as there is some volume coming most likely in NY session. If we look at the news calendar just to see, so if we look at the calendar, what we can see here on calendar, coming up 2 a.m. in my zone, which is the GBP. So basically GBP news getting GBP pairs might get very volatile, and tomorrow coming AUD. So basically AUD news and USD news will make gold also very volatile. So we will keep eye on all of them. Gold buy limit in a zone where I think that if the market drops here, we should see a reaction to the upside. We can see primarily the price is trying to drop in that direction. This trade I will keep on, as I will take a break before I come for another live session before the NY session. And until we come back to the next live, okay, we see the market is coming. Let's a bit extend here to see if it is triggering, so that we can secure some profit here. Guys, let me know, are you with me with that trade on gold? So have you activated, have you put the buy limit? What's your bias on GU? You will be looking at. First, let's see. I think that gold might be triggering here. Okay, I don't need to adjust the chart. I'm not adjusting the chart. That looks good. Okay. Hope that makes much more pleasant to look at. Okay, trader, in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up. If you like the stream, will be helpful. Make it to 100. Okay, I didn't change the chart. Does this helpful? Do you guys prefer to keep the chart straight rather than adjusting? Okay, I keep it like that. Kindly talk gold at 0.2375. Hi coach, wanted to ask, what do you normally look for on the 4-hour before you open trade? Yusuf Fury, very good question. So what do I look at when I open the trade on the 4-hour, right? So to answer this question, it's not a one sentence, definitely. If I look at my chart to see what do I look at, first thing that I look at is the trend. You see that this is a strong uptrend. That's why I place the buy limit. So this is my tool that I use also to find out the strong uptrend or downtrend, and then I look at the trend, so I can understand from the TF strategy either it's from the market structure, either it's a trending up or down, and then I look for the liquidity and price action confirmation. So these are the things that I look at when I look at the thing. So what is the parameter on gold 5 minutes? So the parameter, what is your buy limit parameter? So buy limit 2390.15 is the buy limit order at will be triggered if the price reach. The stop loss at 2387.34, that's the stop loss limit, and TP target set at 2398. We might close even earlier if we see enough momentum in it. We might see that the price might trigger here the trade. We are nearing there. Okay, so nearing there, waiting for a trigger. So my entry at 2390.18, let me readjust it. It's not showing here correctly. So that's my entry 2390.18, and stop loss 2387.34. TP target primarily set at 2398.81, but we might adjust later. So you might get the trigger here. it didn't trigger our entry yet. Okay, the next candle might try to break that low. Let's wait for the next candle on the 5 minutes. If we see that the market in the 5 minutes time frame breaking that low will get triggered, and then if it has a bounce, we will be either taking partial profit, moving stop loss, or we will be holding the trade. First of all, it's important that it has broken this low here, which is this is the red candles low, which is an important support level, and I think we might see ultimately a retest. So the trend, strong uptrend, is still maintaining. So here guys, so there is a price not breaking that low yet. Sir, can you please check Euro USD? What's your bias on GU? I will be looking at that. What can you what's your buy limit parameter? We discuss. Can you look at natural gas? What's the buy limit? You guys new here. DAX chain, not yet. We placed the buy limit, but it didn't trigger for few pip yet. So I think we Okay, now let's see if after this candle close, if it is breaking below, then we will get triggered. If it is not triggering and breaking that high, then it will be this pending order will be invalid. How you make analysis in gold? That's a educational part. So if you want to know how I analyze the gold and also learn the strategy, then you can join our we have few sports lab in the exclusive live VIP trading room, where you can learn how I do the analysis, and also you have all the courses available on the website. So I would recommend you to join today. The website is under maintenance a bit up, so if you want to join, you can just email us. You can find all the link in the free Telegram channel as well. So email us in the info. Let me give you the email address where you can. We have a huge discount going on currently. It's ending tonight. So info, the email address previously has given. So you can email us info@forextradingwizard.com. We'll add you there, where you can learn the exact strategy that I'm trading, analysis and everything. So we see that here I'm coming on live in 2 hours time from here for our NY live. Now the trade just for 5 pip, it didn't hit, it didn't trigger. It's now going out to create most likely a new higher high, or it might consolidate a bit more time. I want to refresh that trade and want to start a new one. So I will be exiting this pending order. So I have closed that buy limit. It's expired. It's expired. So I will be waiting for new setup in GJ, UJ, GBPUSD, Euro dollar and gold. I'll be coming on live in just a matter of 2 hours again, trading the NY session. I think that you guys enjoyed this live session, learned from here, and committed to grow as a trader. And thank you for joining the live session. I'll see you there again, trading live together. Until then, stay well, stay happy. Before I go, if you want to join us or any of the broker that we are trading with currently, you can find link below this video in the description. You can use that and register, and then you can start trading.